where the sunlight fades, a professor pauses through the thoughts he's made. Years of learning in the lines he keeps, but he sees much more in the eyes he meets. Not just lessons on a page, but every heart at every age, peering gently past the frame, calling every student's name. He looks over his glasses, seeing what's real, not just the facts, but the way they feel. Wisdom grows when the heart leans in, understanding where the mind has been. A softer gaze that guides the way, helping others find their day. He knows that knowledge alone won't shine without the warmth that makes it kind. Every question holds a spark, every student brings their mark. He listens close between each line, hearing meaning beyond design, teaching with a steady grace, finding truth in every face. He looks over his glasses, seeing what's real, not just the facts, but the way they feel. Wisdom grows when the heart leans in, understanding where the mind has been. A softer gaze that guides the way, helping others find their day. He sees their